And now, just as an addendum, you know that of course in Islamic and Judaic prophecies, prophecies of Judaism, I do become, these people all get deposed, and I do become the only king in the world, okay? And that's supposed to be what Judaism and Islam predicts for the future of the role that I'm fulfilling in my own way, because I'm living in the present and not in a text written thousands of years ago. But I mean, the thing is, I don't want, a position as a king. Okay, so then that begs the question, well, what will happen to these people? Will they be deposed? Okay, so now we are going through this moment, this interim moment of discovery and delight and information gathering and just seeing whatever comes up at the moment to basically decide. I'm not sending you people out there, these messages to produce a result. Okay, when I decide to attack these people, I have tens of thousands of people to contact directly. Okay, and you're maybe part of them, but you are not going to be making, the determining difference that is going to tilt the balance against this group of people, because these group of people are basically ensconced in a position of privilege and somewhat wealth and power and privilege, and then they have a bunch of politicians working for them. These videos, however, will make their situation progressively more and more untenable. Okay? But I don't think they will produce any result. I mean, they're just, they're just like music. Okay, so in any event, that is the second message today. Have a good time. Bye bye. Bye.